Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking the cast for damage or wet areas. If anything looks wrong, contact your provider immediately. Once you've confirmed integrity, target itch safely. Use a hair dryer on the cool setting for brief bursts to circulate air under the cast. You can press a thin cloth and a cold pack against the cast exterior for temporary relief. Make sure to keep the cast dry and do not insert objects. These first actions reduce skin irritation and prevent infection risk. Once done with immediate cooling, focus on ongoing care to stop recurring itching. You should elevate the limb to reduce swelling that intensifies itch. Move fingers or toes gently to promote circulation. Clean only exposed skin with mild soap and water, and trim hair near cast edges to reduce trapped debris. Make sure to use manufacturer or clinician-approved barrier wipes at the cast seem to keep skin from becoming moist and itchy. This prevents maceration and lowers bacterial growth. You finish by reassessing the situation and taking definitive steps if the itch won't quit. If itching persists beyond 48 hours, or you notice warmth, foul odor, drainage, or fever, contact your clinician immediately because these are signs of infection. Once evaluated, your provider may prescribe topical or oral treatments or adjust padding. Make sure to avoid cutting or inserting tools into the cast yourself. If padding is tight or compromised, only a professional should loosen or replace it to prevent harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.